So I'm quite impressed with the tomato growth. They are putting on absolutely loads of fruit, quite a bit of fruit to choose from. They will be ripening up through the course of the next week, and here and there I already see some pinking. So here we go. We're just gonna be harvesting some of our cucumbers. Alright, so we're gonna be harvesting some of the gooseberries. There we go. We've got a little bit of dessert straight from the garden, gift wrapped from nature's plentiful garden.